5 AI Tools for Making $1,000 a Day. In this article, I am going to show you 5 AI tools for making $1,000 a day. People are making thousands of dollars using AI tools. Now AI can write content, generate photos, creating websites, or even create videos. Using this feature, people monetize AI-generated photos, videos, and articles and make money. 1. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI tool that allows you to create high-quality content quickly and easily. With Jasper AI, you can generate articles, blog posts, and other written content in just a few minutes. To make money, you can start selling writing services on a freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and other platforms. Create a gig and start selling services. 2. Pictory.ai. Using Pictory, you can start your own YouTube channel without needing to hire a video editor or scriptwriter. All you need is Jasper AI and pictory.ai to create and publish your videos on YouTube. You can start multiple YouTube channels and automate them using AI tools. 3. Notion AI. Notion is a platform for productivity and management. One way to make money with Notion is by creating and selling templates on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. For example, Passio, who has 63,000 followers on Twitter, creates templates on Notion and sells them as a one-person business. 4. Postwise AI. With Postwise AI, you can easily generate viral threads and schedule them to go live at the optimal time for your audience. This tool is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, even if you have no experience with social media marketing or automation. AI is that it can help you grow your audience quickly and easily. By creating viral threads and scheduling them to go live at the best time for your audience, you can attract new followers and engage with your existing ones. 5. Midjourney. Users can provide input to the AI system by feeding it with specific parameters or data, such as colors, shapes, or themes. The Midjourney then generates an image based on these inputs, creating something that has never existed before. The images produced by Midjourney's AI system can be incredibly complex and detailed, ranging from abstract shapes and patterns to realistic portraits and landscapes. If the AI-generated images were created using pre-existing artwork or images, it may be necessary to obtain permission or a license to use them for commercial purposes. Many online print-on-demand services like Printful, Guten, or Printify allow you to create and print your designs onto posters, which you can then sell in your Etsy store. To expand your business further, you can also consider selling your AI-generated designs on other products like stickers, t-shirts, cups, and other merchandise.